Ooh, that was first try. What a great way to start this video. I'm looking right now and it's been 4 months since I've done a long form video, and there's a reason for that. You probably kind of know why. Shorts have just taken over the internet. Vertical has taken over. Been doing more shorts. It's been helping my channel grow, getting closer to the million. But as we get closer, like actually closer to the million, we're gonna slowly transition away from doing these random wheel ideas to back to what we were doing before. New tricks, sessions, random short videos have been growing my channel so much that I had to just give in. People wanted to see it, so I gave them more, which I'll still do some. I'm still gonna put clips, single clips, stuff like that, but these long videos, like we're about to do right now, and all these new tricks, be the main focus once again. What have I been up to? Training, riding, filming, everything the normal, just more work, more of it. And all these new tricks. I wanna show you some of the new tricks. If anybody only watches long form, these are some of the tricks that I've done over the last few months. Just really trying to buckle down on creating and inventing and just strengthening myself to do these tricks. Every week or so, I try to do a brand new trick, and that's kind of this collage of tricks that you're looking at right now. There's just been a few world's first tricks that I've done forward that I learned how to do backwards, and there's a bunch of them that I'm really proud of. The story continues. We're about to get a session right now. It's been a long time since I brought you guys with a session, but what else to do besides start it up?
Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We're never fitting with the rest. We've all got monsters under beds. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different.
The video is titled All New Tricks, and obviously what I showed you before were all new tricks, but I want to learn something live with you right now, and I've been seeing it a lot. A few riders can do it who don't even ride flat, which is probably the one thing that's just got me really wanting to learn this, because if they can do it, not saying they're not good, but they don't even focus on flat, and this is definitely a flatland trick, but few people can do this where they nose manual and do a regular foot jam whiplash. I'll show you what I can do and what I mean. I can do a regular heel lash, bars backwards, stand like this, kick it, and land. What they can do that I want to learn today is just ride regular, jump. And that wasn't too bad. But basically I'm gonna be going regular whiplash, which would be more useful, because if I can do that, that means I'm doing regular whips. I can come out of nose manuals. I could probably go back into normal tricks because heel lash is a little weird. I'm gonna film 3 more tricks before we try this, and then we'll see if we can get it. Trying to mix it up with the back wheel and front wheel with every session, just because sometimes I catch myself riding only on the front wheel and then I forget about the back wheel, and then sometimes it's the other way around. But today the main focus is the front wheel. Main focus is this new foot jam. It's going to be a basic trick that you guys could probably learn with me. It wouldn't be too hard. The only thing I suggest is at least having 120mm wheels. That's going to help give you more room to stick your foot in the wheel when you try it. And obviously my SIG wheels come 120, so if you need a pair, go grab some. That link's in the description. But we're just gonna try it. I'm gonna just do a few heel lashes just to get that feel of it's a regular foot jam, or it would be opposite. But this is the, you get what I'm saying. Heel foot jam whiplash. Today we're learning foot jam whiplash. Very hard. I got my foot in the wheel. I just need to, I don't need to do it. There's no point talking. I'm just gonna do it. Wait. I don't know if my foot touched. I think my toe touched at the end. feel like I can't tell. Hold on, let me check again. Oh, that's so annoying. I mean, you probably see it, but I don't think I did. I felt like I might have. I'm just gonna try. I just want to get one more, see what happens. That was so good. Come on. That one, I was actually expecting to land because it felt so good. Okay, sick. You guys can definitely try this because you don't need pegs, you don't need much. A big wheel just helps, but that could be interesting because that could be incorporated with some combos. Imagine doing a nose mount and getting into it. There's people who do it. There's people who are really good at it, where Vincent, he rides for the same team I do, and he does like hang 5, foot jam, that, whiplash, and then goes back to like fakie hang 5. Incredible. Definitely some goals of mine to incorporate foot jams into flatland, which I think I've tried to do this a few times, but I'm really gonna put my head down on this one and learn it. And I would love to hear if any of you can do any foot jam tricks, or if you want to go learn them, see if you can at least do the foot jam version of it, which is like this. And you don't have to do whiplash, but go out and do that, then come back to the comments and let me know how that session went. Shouldn't be hard. You could probably learn foot jam or heel whiplash in one session, so that's sick. All right, feels good to be back. Feels good to be doing the vlog style stuff again, the sessions, and I'll be focusing more on the sessions like this, new tricks, and just high-end content as we get closer to 1 mil. It's been over 7 years, a little over 7 years now doing YouTube, and it's crazy, 1 million. Dude, you guys are awesome. You guys are, I don't know, I feel like I've figured out another purpose for my riding, another way to showcase it, because for 1 million people to follow me and my journeys and all the adventures and challenges we've been through, that is insane. I'll definitely be doing something special for 1 million. I mean, I'm not gonna really say much. I don't wanna get you overhyped until we get there. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I appreciate every single one of you. We're at 900+ K, so thank you for that. Before we even get to the 1 million, thank you for 900K. I will be giving back to as many people as possible. Envy and I just have a lot of plans or giveaways and just ways we can really exchange value, because you've given me so much value and purpose to make these videos, and it is a huge, if not the main reason why I push myself no matter what the instance is. Gone through some serious injuries, some serious setbacks, and the main thing is all of you in this channel. Just gotta get out, gotta film, gotta push, gotta set an example, gotta be inspiration for all of you. So thank you, because you are actually inspiration for me to come out here and do stuff like this. So thank you. More new tricks, more videos, more long form, and I look forward to having a full conversation about everything in the comments. So it's been a while. Talk soon. Later.